Hi, I'm here to demo how to edit your videos in Collector. First, select a video. In this video, you can see that the bounding box is too big and not tight enough surround the subject, and the label is also mistiming as well. Thankfully, Collector has a built-in video editing tools to fix these labeling issues. On the top right corner, there's an editing button. Click on it to see different options. First, we can check out the question mark button first to see the activity and labeling instructions. After you review it, you can click OK to close it. First, we're going to fix the box too big issue. To do so, we use the bounding box editing tools that locate on the top right corner, the box icon that sits on the left of the restart button. Click on that, we see the subject for this video is person, so we choose person. Here's a trick to relabel the bounding box. Once you tap anywhere on the screen, the video will start. So, since the actor is actually performing the first activity testing at the very beginning, so we want to tap and draw the bounding box on the screen instantly. So, here's a tip. Draw the bounding box very tight on surrounding subject. Use both your thumbs. So, use the left one, control the top left corner, right? And use your right one to control the right bottom corner, so you can draw a very tight bounding box around the subject. This is very crucial for training machine learning model. Cool, let's review it. Nice, I think we got the bounding box correct this time. Alright. Okay, next, we're going to fix the activity labels. We use the activity editing tool that's sitting on the leftmost button on the top right corner. Click on that stick figure icon and select the first activity, Talk Song. At the bottom, you can see that all the Talk Song activities are removed from the timeline, which means that it's ready for us to rewrite the pre-exist labels on the timeline. First, single tap on the screen outside of the bounding box to start a video and wait for the moment when the actor is performing Talk Song. Now, tap within the bounding box to relabel it and hands off when the label is ready and the actor is done performing. Here's another one. Tap within the bounding box and hands off when it's done with labeling. Good. And now we can move on to the next label. So tap on the stick figure again and select test on our next label. This label is actually easier to label than before because the subject was testing at the very beginning. So we can simply tap within the bounding box to start a video and relabeling at the same time. So hold your finger within the bounding box to trigger the relabeling, testing, and off when the actor done testing, and tap again to do it when the actor was performing testing. Hands off. Cool. Okay, let's take a look at how we did. Much better. We got the label right. We also got the bounding box correct as the very tight around the subject as well. Nice. Good timing on the labels. Great. Looks like we fixed both the bounding box issues and the activity labels issues. Okay. Cool. So lastly, don't forget to save your work. So hit save and submit your changes to the cloud as well. Hit submit. Cool. Well done. And now, when the app's refreshing, you should be able to see your changes and everything is all set and uploaded to the cloud and saved it. Cool. Nice. Well done.